Unlock the hidden potential of your data with the dynamic index function in Qlik Sense, transforming static reports into interactive analytical experiences. First, let's access the Qlik Sense script editor. You can find it by clicking on Edit Script within your Qlik Sense app. This is where we'll define our data and create our dynamic calculations. Now, imagine we have a table loaded with product names and corresponding sales figures. The index function lets us grab specific rows based on their position, enabling us to dynamically reference data points. Let's craft a calculated dimension. Using the index function, we'll use it to isolate the top-performing products based on sales. The key is to combine an index with functions like aggr and rank to determine the position of each product. Observe how the bar chart now dynamically highlights the top 3 products with the highest sales. It adapts automatically as your underlying data changes, allowing for real-time performance monitoring. Beyond visualizations, the index function also facilitates conditional logic. We can create text objects that display customized messages based on the specific data retrieved by the index function, providing contextual insights. For an even deeper dive, check out the comprehensive guide accessible by clicking the Show Me How button on the top right corner. Is packed with detailed examples and advanced techniques. That's it for today. I hope this tutorial has inspired you to harness the dynamic power of the index function in Qlik Sense. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below.